Quick video of Teams app I have put together. We just ahead of the hackathon. So this is the car dealership use case. I'm trying to kind of make a very simple app and demonstrate. This is not sophisticated in any way, but at least it's try to get your feet wet kind of exercise. So the whole project is in GitHub, and I'll share the link with you. But if you go back here, this is where the entire project is. It has all the instructions and the screenshots and whatnot, but I'll kind of give you a quick demo here as a video to show how the application really works. So I've set up a node and all that here, and all I do is the npm run start app. It will start the application, and you can see it also uses Docker, MySQL, and I have the instructions on how to load the data, create the database, create the tables, all of that in here in the project itself in the run instructions, and you can follow that. But once all that is done, I have uploaded the manifest into the Teams custom app, and this is pretty much how it looks. So, and I also have ngrok running. Ngrok is a tool that kind of allows you to forward the traffic from external to a local application like this, and that is what we need to specify in the Teams manifest file for it to work. So Teams is actually going to call over this URL. So once you come back into Teams, and if you see that's the app that has been loaded, I will hit a refresh to make sure it's up. So this is a easy login screen. I've given all these valid user IDs just so that we don't have to worry too much. But if you want to take one of these, like you can take this email, and you can actually paste it and log in, or you can take the login click quick link. So if you paste that email, and the last name is the password. So Christ, CRIST. So we do that, CRIST, and now we do login. It logs in and it tells you all the, and this is all fake data. It has the credit card number, it has the phone, it has what the make and model. And this is one of the couple of advisors. I have 5 advisors, and then I have assigned random advisors to simulate the service criteria. And this is the win number, this is the registration number, and then now we have kind of identified here. But this is just to simulate a diagnostic scenario. So if I click on diagnose, it jumps here, and it's a fake thing. We're saying connect the phone, and then we'll do the diagnostics. So we are assuming there's some kind of an app and a hardware device connecting to the phone and into the car, and it's actually pulling all the data. And if you do start diagnostics, just a fancy, quick kind of a video that I'm embedding in Teams to demonstrate that we can actually show videos. So you can see that actually the diagnostic is running. It's a stock video, nothing fancy. It just loads into the UI, and then when you go to show results, it's actually going to show the results. It's I have put in 4 images of the engine, the undercarriage, and the brakes. And the idea is, if you can click on any of these, you can actually have a discussion with the customer. So this opens up the image in zoom mode, and then it also gives you all these controls to annotate. So let's take an example here and go here and say this is there, and maybe we can annotate like this something, and maybe this one somewhere here, and maybe you can say something here, and then you can actually draw arrows. You can point to specific things like maybe that, and maybe this. You can also draw like text, so you can actually put text on there, say this needs to be replaced, and you can actually zoom in here. You can actually make it bigger, um, and you can also change colors if you want. All that can be done just as a quick demo. So you can pick this, and you can actually change colors. So like if you click on this, yeah, I need to click on that. I don't know why it's not working, but the idea is you can actually change colors and fonts and whatnot. So this looks like I made a small mistake here. So if you remove that, you can say this needs to be replaced, and then all of that you can actually kind of check here and keep it. You can also annotate like this. I can put that there. and say this needs cleaning or something to that effect. So you can do that. You can actually pull this longer and make this bigger. So you can actually make that bigger and move it around. So it's all market.js, nothing fancy, but it kind of gives you an idea how it works inside Teams. So that is pretty much it. And then you can, I didn't give any save functionality, but you can kind of maybe enhance it to do that. And you can close that and you can go on to the next image and describe whatever you want, right? So that's pretty much it. And if you go all the way back, it'll take you home. Or you can just hit the reload button and it'll take you back home. So that is pretty much a quick demo. Thank you for watching.